Breaking news coming in here on India Today. Indian Air Force Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria will be in Ambala tomorrow to ceremonially welcome India's first Rafale fighter jets. We've got a confirmation in just now that the Air Force Chief will be in Ambala. This is a special day for the Indian Air Force. These are the first modern new fighters coming in from abroad. It has taken a long time to get here, and now we can confirm to you that the top level ceremonial welcome is planned for the 5 Rafales that will be flying in by tomorrow afternoon at the Ambala Air Base. Remember, like we told you yesterday, the Indian Air Force Rafales have taken a stopover at the Al Dhafra Air Base in United Arab Emirates, where the pilots are resting. And tomorrow, late in the morning, they'll be taking off from Al Dhafra and curving over the Arabian Sea and flying over Gujarat, Rajasthan, and then on to Haryana, where they will land in Ambala tomorrow early in the afternoon. India Today's defense editor Abhishek Bhalla live with me. Abhishek, Air Chief Bhadoria, who has flown the Rafale, who's been instrumental in negotiating the deal as well, will be in Ambala tomorrow to ceremonially receive the aircraft as well as the first pilots of the 17th Squadron, the Golden Arrows. Okay, very interesting. And also, Abhishek, something that not a lot of people are aware of is that Air Chief Marshal Bhadoria has another Rafale connection that kind of immortalizes him with this aircraft. The RB on the tail, the tail numbers of the Indian Rafales, or at least some of them, is RB 001, 002, etc. And the RB stands for the Air Chief himself. Okay. Abhishek, we're just going to try and fix your audio. There's a little bit of a problem there with your audio. We'll fix that. But these images that you're looking at here on India Today First are of Air Chief Marshal Bhadoria flying in a Rafale. This was in July last year. So these are images from July last year when the Indian Air Chief, at that time he was the Vice Chief, had flown in a Rafale. He took over as the Air Chief in October last year. In fact, just days before the first Rafales were handed over to the Indian Air Force in Mérignac in France. And tomorrow, Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Bhadoria will be in Ambala, Haryana to ceremonially receive the aircraft he has been instrumental in delivering to the Indian Air Force. So, very interesting day for the Air Force, very interesting day for the pilots, and a huge day for the squadron, the 17th Squadron Golden Arrows that will house the brand new Rafales. I can confirm to you that the aircraft and the pilots are all at the Al Dhafra Air Base in the United Arab Emirates as we speak. They'll have one more night of rest tonight, and then they'll be leaving for India tomorrow at around noon. Here's the full story of how the Rafales will be coming home and the journey so far. The sweet growl of jet engines. The roar ripping up the crisp morning air as 5 new Rafale jets blast off from the Mérignac airfield in southern France. The jets are finally homeward bound. The combat fighters are being flown home to India by the country's first Rafale pilots. They spent their morning prepping for the ferry flight, and then they were given a send-off by India's ambassador to Paris.
They are superb flying machines being flown by the best pilots in the world. We'd like to thank Dassault for delivering the aircraft on time, the French Air Force and the French government for all the support they've provided. This is going to add a great deal of strength to our air power and defense preparedness, but it is also a powerful symbol of the strategic partnership between India and France.
The 5 Rafales won't be alone in the air. In the first leg of their flight from Mérignac to Al Dhafra Air Base in the UAE, over 5,000 kilometers away, the Indian Rafales will be joined in the air by 2 French Air Force Airbus A330 mid-air refueling aircraft. And this is precisely what that refueling will look like, with the Rafales using a refueling probe to plug into a drogue hose dangling from the tanker jet. This will give the Rafales the fuel necessary for the long non-stop flight across the Mediterranean and across West Asia. In the second leg of their flight, from Al Dhafra in UAE to Ambala in Haryana, their new home, the Indian Rafales will soar out over the Persian Gulf. Over the Arabian Sea, they will be met by 2 Indian Air Force IL-78 mid-air refuelers. For the final journey home, since the jets cannot fly over Pakistan, they'll fly a circuitous route over Gujarat and curve north towards Ambala. The total distance of this final leg will be over 2,700 kilometers. Once they land, the Indian Air Force won't spare a moment and will work to quickly get the aircraft into combat-ready mode. The Rafale's formidable weapons, the Scalp cruise missile and Meteor beyond visual range air-to-air missile are already in Ambala, waiting for their motherships to arrive. Oh, and by the way, if you've been wondering, the RB on the Indian Rafale tails stands for the initials of India's current Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Bhadoria. He'll be welcoming the jets to the country not long after they arrive. But come Wednesday, India's tryst with the Rafale finally begins. Bureau Report.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.